How's it going, everyone? Today's video I'm going to be changing up my wiper blades. Got some new ones right here. The clips are a little bit different, so I figured I'd make a quick video to show you how to change them. There's also a little bit of an Easter egg that most people don't know that I'll explain to you here in a second. So to change these wiper blades, you obviously will need a new set. This is the ones that I went with, which is the Bosch Focus, part number FS20OE and FS24OE. These are my go-to blades. These are awesome. They last about like 2 or 3 years. They are a little expensive, but definitely worth the money. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually not grab the blade, because you'll notice that you can't actually pull the blade up because the cowl or the hood or the bonnet, whatever country you're in, is blocking the wipers. Now what you're going to want to do is basically get in the car first and then follow this instruction. Alright, so I'm taking this clip in the future because I forgot to record it. But what you're going to want to do is basically turn the ignition on. One more time till all the lights come on. And then turn it off. And then hold up on top of the wiper blades. And as you can see, it initiates a wiper change mode. Okay, so basically you're going to push in, lift up, pull down, just like that. Takes the old one off. Now gently set the blade down. Do not let it slap your windshield. Sometimes they won't come with the right clip. They'll come with the adapters. You do have to read the instructions per brand you get. The Bosch Focuses do come with the correct clip already on it, so we don't need to do anything but install them. So basically what we want to do is, for these you usually slide up from the bottom and then press up, but for this particular blade we're actually going to slide down, pinch the insides, and slide it over. So as you can see, blade is on. We didn't need to change the adapter or anything like that. Needs to clean this up a little bit, but it's on there. It's not going to pop off. Now we can do the other side.
If you're still with me, you're awesome. While you're still here, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your thoughts. And hey, if you want exclusive behind-the-scenes content and early access to new videos, check out my Patreon in the description. Your support means the world to me. Also, join our large Genesis community on Facebook for free. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.